Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to edit just part of an object in a photo and turn it into a hand-drawn illustrations using Gemini AI that powered by Nano Banana. Okay, let's get started. First, just open up Gemini AI on your browser and then make sure you are logged in with your Google account. And next, just tap on Tools icon, this one. Just tap on it and then just choose Create Images, this one. This is one of Google News feature that lets you edit images instantly just with a simple prompt. Next, just upload the photo that you want to edit. Just tap on this plus button and then upload. In this tutorial, I use a simple group photo so we can transform just one person in it. And next, here's the fun part. Just type your prompt clearly. For example, I will write a prompt like this. For example like this, be as specific as possible so Gemini will understand exactly what you want. And when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, the person on the left has turned into a hand-drawn anime styles illustrations like this, while the backgrounds and the other person stay completely realistic. Pretty amazing, right? Honestly, this looks super cool. It's like mixing real life with a comic drawing. And you could use this for profile pictures or maybe posters or just for fun edits with friends. And if the result isn't perfect at the first time, just try adjusting your prompt, maybe like say sketch styles or watercolor hand drawn, and you will get slightly different vibes. And okay, that's it. That's how you can edit just part of your photo into a hand drawn illustrations using Gemini AI with Nano Banana. It's super quick and easy. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!